Hello, my lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. This is Gypsy Radha, and I make beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos. So today I will be talking about a brand which is a very new brand in the market, which is Avani. I'm sure a lot of people might be already aware of this brand, but I personally think it's in complete or an absolute dupe of Shein. I've ordered some dresses and other accessories, and I'm so happy to show you guys and also share my honest reviews with you people. Alright, so the first product which I ordered is this beautiful bodycon dress with a Y2K print. I'll show you the dress first. This is the dress with a beautiful Y2K print. The quality is pretty nice considering the price I have paid for it. I'll be also linking down all the product details in the description box. The second product is this beautiful black multi-purpose boning bandeau vest. It's made out of fox leather. I ordered this beautiful blue, again a Y2K print cami vest. It has a knot which can be removed and you can style it up in two different ways. I'll also show it to you. This is the top. And this is a knot which is given along with this, and you can style it up in two different ways. Again, I loved the quality and I have worn this earlier, and trust me ladies, it is so damn comfortable. After this, we have this two color block bikinis in the shade black and neon green. This is the top. It's of two beautiful color block. One is a neon green and another one is a black. And the underwear is also a black one, a simple black. Super comfortable and super trendy are the two words which I have for this bikini. I won't be trying it out on the camera as well because it will look super awkward, but please stay tuned to my Instagram channel Gypsy Radha and I will be surely styling it out and show you. Next up is this beautiful set of 12 earrings in gold. I'm already wearing some of them, and if you're comfortable with imitations, then voila, try them once. So the last product from this brand is going to be this gorgeous golden chain. The quality is super good, I would say. I'm sure a lot of people might be aware of the brand already. Earlier, before the COVID and the ban of Shein, we all girls used to find the trendiest and fashionable clothing and accessories from Shein. But sadly, after the ban, we all girls miss it. So, ladies, hold on to your breath and head out to Avani, and I'm sure it is not going to disappoint you. So, the overall review of the products based on the delivery rate and other factors. Delivery time. I ordered them on 2nd September and I received them on 19th September. The delivery took around 17 days, but I guess they ship or import their products from outside, so they take a bit of time. So I would suggest to keep the time frame in your mind while ordering your products. Coupon code. I would also like to share you some little tips. Every time you enter the page, you will get a coupon code of rupees 100 to 300 discount every time you shop from them. Also, every time you purchase any product, you will also get a 100 rupees coupon code, and you can use it within the next 45 days. They have sent this. Ratings. Keeping in mind the price I have paid for all these 6 products, I would give it a 4-star rating. Keeping every aspect in my mind, I would be more happy if they start working on the delivery time. Also, everything comes in a Ziploc packet, which is so damn cool and trendy. Also, do you know guys that Avani is now official on Myntra as well as Flipkart. So that's all for today, guys. I really hope that you like this video. Make sure that you like this video, and if you really like the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and that will really motivate me to make more videos for you people. Till then, this is Gypsy Radha signing off. Stay safe and take care, my lovely people. Adios, amigos.